Because I'm taking a picture of her, or trying to. Doing what? She's coming back out. I'm trying to take a picture of her. Boomer, move. If I could get her on the dang screen. Sorry, that was my grandpa. Okay. This is my new doggy. Here's my new doggy. Yeah, she wants the doggy treats. Well, here. I don't know if you guys can see them. There's a bunch of the other dogs, too. Okay. What did you eat? Yeah. Take my hand off. Up, dummy. There. No, you're okay. Okay, this is the new dog, Bailey. Well, Bailey, baby, I don't know. She responds to anything you say. She responds to things that are not even names. Okay. She's done. Well, that's my new ducky. Later, guys.